3, 2, 1.
Unlike prokaryotes, eukaryotes have what? The answer is A, cell nucleus. Which of these performers/bands has had the number 1 and number 2 albums on the Billboard chart twice? The answer is B, Guns N' Roses. What is constantly falling but never reaches the ground? The answer is C, stars. On the TV show The Beverly Hillbillies, Ellie Mae had many boyfriends. Who was her favorite movie star boyfriend? The answer is B, Rip Ruck. Which animator and cartoon director created two of the most famous Looney Tunes characters, Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck? The answer is A, Fred Tex Avery. What medium did Claude Monet primarily use in his Water Lily series? The answer is A, oil paint. Students want to test how the temperature changes each day throughout the year. Which of the following does not have to be kept the same during the test? The answer is C, the person reading the temperature measurement. Though I can play a melody, I won't be singing any lyrics. What am I? The answer is C, xylophone. What does E represent in mathematics? The answer is B, Euler's number. Locus refers to the position of what on a chromosome, which controls the characteristics of an organism? The answer is A, gene. How long does it take light from the nearest star other than the Sun to reach Earth? The answer is D, about 4 years. What do we call the study of male health and male diseases? The answer is D, andrology. What does LED stand for in electronics? The answer is A, light-emitting diode. What is the cheat for getting 50,000 simoleons in a computer game The Sims 2? The answer is A, motherlode. Which of the EU founding members is the country of liberté, égalité, fraternité? The answer is C, France. In 2004, what motor vehicle company used the song Magic Carpet Ride in their ad? The answer is D, Chevy. I make a promise to keep but often break it. What am I? The answer is C, politician. Torpor, a process that leads to a decrease in activity and metabolism and allows animals to survive adverse conditions, includes what long winter sleep? The answer is D, hibernation. Which artist is known for the Sistine Chapel ceiling?
The answer is A, Michelangelo.
I'm often eaten raw, but I have bones and meat. What am I? The answer is C, a cucumber. I help players stay balanced on the ice. What am I? The answer is A, skates. I'm the first cry of a newborn, the last whisper of a dying man. What am I? The answer is B, whisper. The Great Pyramid of Giza claimed to be the world's tallest man-made structure for around 4 millennia. Along which river is the monument located? The answer is D, Nile. Who played the title role in Forrest Gump? The answer is A, Tom Hanks. Which of the following MLB teams hit the most home runs in one major league season? The answer is A, 97 Seattle Mariners. Which book features the characters Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson? The answer is D, A Study in Scarlet. What are materials that eject electrons when illuminated with light called? The answer is A, photoemissive. What was the capital of the Roman Empire at its height? The answer is A, Rome. Eddie Brickell and New Bohemians had a one-hit wonder in 1986 with which song? The answer is C, What I Am. I can be swallowed, but cannot be eaten. What am I? The answer is A, pill. Who is the goddess of love in Roman mythology? The answer is B, Venus. Some non-native plants can adapt to their environments more quickly than some native plants or crops can. Which adaptation would least likely help a non-native plant to survive in a new environment? The answer is D, having leaves that form at a slow rate. I can measure without knowing, weigh without scaling, and count without numbering. What am I? The answer is D, abacus. We know that a Scrooge is a miserly, unhappy person. From which Dickens novel do we get this word? The answer is B, A Christmas Carol. Which tool is used to level and align objects? The answer is B, level. When a stream flows from a hard to soft rock area, what is often formed? The answer is C, a waterfall. John Locke, a character from the television series Lost, was named after what real historical figure? The answer is B, a philosopher. Snakes are which type of animal? The answer is A, carnivorous. Who is known as the father of Impressionism? The answer is B. Camille Pissarro. I'm often found in pockets, yet I have no clothes. What am I? The answer is A. Mobile phone. What is the name of the first spacecraft to land on a comet? The answer is C. Rosetta. I'm often found on the floor and can be thrown. What am I? The answer is D. Pillow. A red blood cell will swell and burst when placed in A. The answer is B. Hypotonic solution. Which ancient Roman amphitheater still stands in Italy? The answer is A. Colosseum. I can make you feel like you're in a concert or a sporting event without leaving your home. What am I? The answer is D. TV. I'm long, green, and often used in salsa. What am I? The answer is A. Zucchini. What fluid becomes less viscous, allowing for better joint function after stretching? The answer is A. Synovial. Characterized by uncontrolled growth, cancerous cells are also called what? The answer is D. Malignant. What is a person who has made a pilgrimage to Mecca? The answer is A. Haji. Why does Michael Dorsey from the 1982 comedy movie Tootsie dress as a woman?